Hi, this is the bigger hand, and if you like this, you can download the parts and 3D print them. So you begin by taking out a deck of cards and ask your spectator to just peek at one card, not this card, not the face card, but somewhere in the middle. Do you see one? Let's try that again. Alright, so if you did see one, we're going to find it, and your pattern goes like you fell a couple of times, and you relax and you take the coffee and you give it a sip. What card are you thinking of, by the way? And it just pops up like that, and you show that you have your system finding the selection. So let's go to how this is done. This is quite straightforward. There's a magnet here in the card box. So in the beginning, you force a card by using a shortcut, and near the top, there's a magnet here. That repels and unlock the device here. So if I place it here, you will know this area has a magnetic field that is going to unlock the whole thing. And let me explain how this thing works. There's a piece of magnet here which is locked by another piece of thin magnet at the bottom. But when this one repels this one, this one repels this one, then it will unlock this thing, and then this one, it didn't work that well. Sometimes you have to pull it a little bit. So that is another one, the lock, I call it the lock, that locks this in place so that it does not fall back to the bottom. And you put one of these cards, and you could use a plastic corner and place it here, or reveal any other selection that you have just mentioned with your spectator, with your participant. See the 3D printed files and put them together. The specifications are there. You just follow them and stick everything together and use a cup like this. It does not have to be this specific brand, but the bottom has to be flat. You should not use one of those paper cups. It does not last long because you're going to reuse it. And this part is not, the bottom is not close to the surface of the card box, so I better use something like this. So you could reuse this. Yes, it is straightforward, but that's a surprise element. I hope you like it, and see you next time.